17 Air, Apple's thinnest mobile yet, but at what cost? Speculations mounting about Apple's upcoming iPhone 17, with rumors suggesting that the company may struggle to achieve its ambitious 6mm thickness target. Recent reports have also contradicted earlier claims regarding the device's design. According to contributor Jeff Pugh, Apple is still aiming for the ultra-slim 6mm body for the iPhone 17, but may need to compromise on battery capacity to achieve this. The device, reportedly named the iPhone 17 Air, is intended to slot beneath the iPhone 17 Plus in Apple's product line. However, concerns about the potential risks posed by reduced battery life remain a challenge. If successful, the iPhone 17 Air will be Apple's thinnest handset ever, surpassing the iPhone 6, which previously held the title with its 6.9mm frame. By comparison, the iPhone 16 is 7.8mm thick, while the Pro Vision series measures 8.25mm, making these models significantly bulkier than competing flagship devices. There's also speculation about the iPhone 17's official name, with conflicting reports suggesting that it could be called the iPhone 17 Air or the iPhone 17 Slim. Regardless of the naming decision, the new model is expected to pave the way for Apple's next generation A19 silicon and the company's proprietary 5G modem, as previously reported. While fans eagerly await official announcements, the trade-off between slimness and battery performance could be a key factor in shaping the iPhone 17's reception.